Oh, guys, what's up, guys? This is CJW Games, and welcome back to the next video. As you can see, I am playing Pixel Car Racing, and I bought a new car. I think about 3 minutes ago. It's called a buggy. I think buggies are slow, but the only reason I call it buggy is because it's short like a buggy, but it's extremely fast like a Lamborghini. So I supposed to call it a buggy Lamborghini, but it took up. Oh my god! So I am going to demolish this person. I hope I will. So please have faith in me. Come on. Yes, as you can see, I demolished the person who I went against. I know you will think that, oh my god, it's beginner's luck. But I'm gonna do, I think, 2 more races and show you that this is not beginner's luck. Then after this race, I want to show you the things what I add on to make this buggy a complete G. So if I win this now, can this video get up to 15 likes, please? 15 likes. If I win. Let's go. Let's start. Let's go. Pass the monster. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I won. I think I am actually doing well in this game. This car has made me went up to a very high standard, and as you can see up here, sir, you secured 31 wins. I secured 31 wins with this buggy. So this buggy is a complete G. Okay. The things I put on this car to make it that fast was a LS engine, and then a tire, an N20 200 shot, ready T6OE 24 karat gold. My turbo is made out of gold, extremely gold. Now I had a brakes. Yeah, it's a purple gray. It's a purple brake, a trembo spotlight. Yeah, I can't pronounce that. Then I have a tire, which is that, and I have a suspension. Yeah, this is my suspension. And next gold, and then I have intake, which gives my car 33 more horsepower. ECU, which is that. When I bought it first, it said that it gives me 2,300 more horsepower on what I had. I have a VX Titan piston. It gives me 90 more horsepower. I have an intercooler, which is gold again, and I have exhaust, which is gold. So that helps me to win most of my games. I'm gonna go back into. I'm gonna open 2 or more boxes to see what I got. Okay, orange form. We got a hyper circuit for our covering. We got we got a 2-step charger to make our car go fast more. We got an X tire. I have over like 100 tires on this. I don't want any more. I can sell them though. We get a new seat. Okay, so we can put in this seat now. I think we can put in this seat. They said it's comfortable, so killing this now. One more box. Oh my. Burnt. Wait, guys. If I put that on, will it help me to go faster or slower? Oh, it helps me to go a little bit faster. Well, as you can see, this makes up my buggy, which is fast, and I have 9,600 horsepower on this thing. I am killing it. So one more race before I end this. Remember, to equip parts, head over to your garage. So when you buy your parts at the oh, they're red. There's a red thing coming from my here. Oh, so the timer we got a while ago helps us to get red things when we rev it up. No. Yes, guys, we're going back to him. We're going back for him, and we won it again. Well. Thank you for watching. And before you go, do not underestimate buggies. They might be slow. They might look slow, but they're extremely fast when you tune it up. So remember, subscribe, hit that like, just try the like button, and you can see more of my awesome videos. And let's go right back. So subscribe, hit the notification button, and you will be notified every time I make a video. And peace.